Hey, what's going on? As you can see, got the doors, got the tile, grout, doorknobs. We about to get it in. Man, I spent about 2 hours in Home Depot. Let's go. Hey, so I'm in the property right now. As you can see, got some new doors up right now. Some more doors. Work finally being done to the property. We're gonna keep moving, we're gonna keep pushing. What's going on, man?
Hey!
Hey. Oh, it looks good. Oh, you did that quick.
Yeah.
Man.
I'm inspired the floor. No.
Okay, so you're doing the threshold?
Yeah, the threshold.
Okay. Man.
The same design.
What's going on?
Hey.
Hey, how you doing, man? Now let's take a pause in the action so I can give you a sneak peek of the bathroom. So I just came to check out what you wanted to show me.
What do you think?
Yeah, that looks good, man.
Yeah.
It looks real good. It looked a lot better than I thought it was gonna.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. That's awesome.
Okay. First, we will have a lot of trash here. Where do you want me to put it? Back there?
The trash. Yeah, for now. Just sit out there till I can figure out something.
What I see is you put
All right, so contractors in there doing his thing. Got the team knocking it out. Man, it's just so awesome just seeing like all the doors going up and how he's making it work. You know, and after that, once they put that paint up there, man, it's gonna be a whole different ball game. So, shoot. But yeah, saw that just after weeks of just nothing happening, and finally, you know, getting a contractor and getting a guy in here. And initially I had him come over for paint, and you know, he was like, hey, you know, I can do a lot more stuff. I was like, okay, you know, I got a big hole in my ceiling, and he was like, oh yeah, I can fix that, you know, and the other drywall damage, I can do the doors, tile and stuff like that. I was like, whoa. Yeah, because I was getting ready to subcontract out every single thing, and you know, it's nice to just be able to you know, have someone that can do multiple things. So it's moving again. We're gaining some momentum with this one, and man, after the paint and, you know, everything else, it's just gonna be completely different house. After this, I'm gonna throw in the kitchen cabinets and the vanities for the bathrooms, and yeah, it's really going to like start looking like a house that's getting ready to hit the market. So yeah, I'm really excited. Hey, since you made it this far in the video, I've got some extra bonus content for you. You know, some extra little giblets for those of you who are interested out there. Here are the new renderings for my kitchen. So yep, stay tuned. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and as always, you know, I'll catch you on the next one.